Alliance Gator. Gator Edge Rigid and Flex have a wall height of 1 3/4 inches and are made with 100% polypropylene copolymer. This will give it great strength as well as providing great flexibility. We have a rigid model which is ideal for straight applications and a flex model that can be used for all curved applications. The rigid could be transformed in a partial flex by cutting the bridge support between each triangular angle to create 90-degree angles or interior and exterior curves, depending upon the needs of project. It also connects flawlessly to flex edges with the twist and lock connection. We recommend using a nail at every junction connection and at every linear foot in order to properly stabilize the edges. And when Gator Edge is to be installed on the Gator Base, we will have plus or minus 4 inches of Gator Base exceeding. A Gator Base screw will be driven into every second hole to maximize lateral support of the Gator Edge. Gator Edge Mini has a wall height of 1 inch and the ideal edging for wet cast slab and natural stone and thin pavers. It's easy to use and quick to install. The Gator Edge Mini can create straight lines and elegant curves. Gator Edge Mini should be nailed to a compacted crushed stone base that exceeds a minimum of 6 inches away from the paver installation limit. The Gator Tile Edge is the fully customizable solution to run around the perimeter of your finished porcelain tile installation. Since the Gator Tile Edge is 5/8 of an inch, it is an ideal edge when working with porcelain tile. Use 1 Gator Base screw every second hole, attached at a minimum 6 inches from the edge of the Gator Base. This will ensure continuous lateral support. Gator Edge is the true choice of professionals. For more information, you can reach us at alliancegator.com.